Hi, welcome to data engineering. So today we are going to discuss about comparing two images and identifying the difference between the image. So let me show you the image. So this is the image. I have to spot three difference. And yeah, it is quite confusing and sometimes it will take more time, but this image is kind of simple, so it won't take much time. But if you see, like, you will be getting these kind of images in the newspapers, right? So you have to spot 8 difference, 9 difference, and it will be easy till 5 difference out of 8, but then the remaining 3 difference, it will take time for us to identify. So on that way, like yesterday I was reading a newspaper, I just saw these two images, like not this one, it is something different, and suddenly I got an idea, like why can't we do this in Python? I can compare two images in Python and I can get the result. So that is why, like, I've just made this video. It's all about just for fun along with learning. Okay, so I'm going to use Python image library PIL, and within that we have two sub packages like image chops. So chops full form is channel operation. So this image chops package has so many mathematical algorithms for image processings, like paintings and then like editings and many other things you can do. And you can even do the difference between the image just by calling the keyword difference. So you don't want to write lines and lines of algorithms to do this, but it's again, like, if you want, yeah, you can do, but we have some simple way to do this. So I have two images here. What I have done is I just cropped these two images. I just split it in this image into two, and then I saved it as like image one 11.jpg and image two equal to image.open and the full path 22.jpg. So I have two files now, image files. Now I invoke this image chops package dot. I invoke the function difference within the image chop. So now I'm just passing two parameters, image one and image two, and that's it. So now diff dot get bbox, boundary box is called bbox. So bbox is something like it will compare the images and then it will draw outlines of the images in the objects in the image, whatever it looks similar, it just draws an outline on top of it. So if the particular object is very new in the image, then it will give the complete shade of it. I will show you in the output. So here the condition is, if there is a difference between the image, then it has to show the difference. So now I'm going to run this code. Okay, so yep. So now you can see this is the output. So the output seems to be confusing for you, but I will tell you so that it will be easy for the next practicals and different images you can feed and you can easily able to identify. If you see here, the outlines on the each object, and that means the images of the two images, the objects are same between two images, whatever the outline you see. But if you see this round is completely shaded, and that means this eclipse is like it's a new object. And you can see here the teeth is fully shaded, and that means it's a new. And here you can see the leaf, it's completely shaded, then it's new. So there is three difference and we have spotted it. Now I'll show you the actual image. You can see here we have the teeth and there is no teeth here, and you can see the cloud here, but here there is no cloud in the first image. And you can see there is a leaf here in the first image, but in the second image it is missing. So that means, like, highlighted objects in the images or the difference actually. So we got the output. So thanks for watching data engineering. If you really like this video, please do subscribe channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. So we do a lot of tech videos in two languages, English and Tamil. And if you really like this video, please do share the video in your LinkedIn profile. Thanks for watching.